Top 5 Best Mobile Wi-Fi Hotspots 2020. 1. Verizon Jetpack AC791L. The Jetpack AC791L is one of the first mobile hotspots offered by the Verizon company. Despite being an old version, it is still one of the best mobile Wi-Fi hotspots you can buy. It is very reliable when it comes to internet connections, boasting LTE speeds that are rarely down. With its high-capacity battery, you can stay connected for 19 to 24 hours. You can also charge your smartphone and never miss a call from a business associate or partner. The user interface features soft touch buttons and an LED screen display. The LED screen displays signal strength, message notifications, and data usage. You can also connect to the mobile hotspot with up to 15 devices simultaneously. And with 200 countries on the list, you don't need to worry about getting out of coverage issues. Moreover, you can set up guest connections where you can create a temporary password for connected users. You get to share while you maintain the privacy of your mobile Wi-Fi passwords. 2. Jetpack mifi 8800L 4G LTE Mobile Hotspot. The Jetpack mifi 8800L is a Verizon-locked mobile Wi-Fi. You can't use other prepaid SIM cards with this mobile hotspot. But despite its limitation on the SIM card usage, it is one of the best mobile Wi-Fi hotspots you can buy. This device has a vast map of connectivity. With over 200 countries on its list, you can connect without worrying about lost or intermittent connections. This device is perfect for people who are power users. You can do business and talk to your associates through video call even when you're away. The device also has a built-in VPN so that you can connect securely. With this VPN, you can control what others see and can't see. You can track suspicious data usage from others, and the device has a multi-band capability that allows multiple connections on 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, simultaneously. With its 4400 mAh battery, you're connected for 24 hours without the need to charge. If your other devices, like your smartphone or tablet, are low in battery life, you can use the mobile Wi-Fi hotspot to charge for a few minutes. This feature is perfect for emergencies. The design features a 2.4-inch touchscreen interface that alerts you about signal strength, remaining data, and battery life. Through this colored UI, you can enter your password right from the mobile device, which means you can keep your mobile Wi-Fi secure. You can also share files with other people through the numerous USB ports. The mifi 8800L lets you connect to 15 trusted devices at a time, and you can share files over your local Wi-Fi connection by using a storage device. 3. Alcatel Link Zone. Alcatel is a brand under the license of TCL Communication Technology. It is a trademark under Nokia. Throughout the years, the Alcatel brand has proven its capability to offer high-quality products. Although it started as a manufacturer of mobile devices, it branched out and produced one of the best mobile Wi-Fi hotspots. Alcatel Link Zone requires a SIM card and is locked under the T-Mobile network. It supports FDD LTE and UCMA bands. However, you must contact the network to see if these bands work in your area or any other, so you don't waste money on a mobile hotspot. Since the mobile Wi-Fi comes with a 1800 mAh battery, you can browse, search, download, or upload in your social media accounts. Working hours are approximately 6 hours max with a standby mode of 300 hours. One great thing about this mobile Wi-Fi is its removable battery, giving you the option to change the battery once it exhausts its useful life. The Alcatel Link Zone is an inexpensive mobile Wi-Fi with good speed and LTE signal. This device is excellent for people who are on a tight budget with their data consumption. It connects up to 15 devices that are within 150 feet in an open area. 4. Skyroam Solis. Technology veterans founded Skyroam in Silicon Valley with a mission of lowering roaming data costs and offering reliable internet connections. With these goals in mind, the company created a unique proposition for business travelers. Since its founding in 2008, it has achieved its objectives and is one of the leading providers of prepaid internet connections. The Skyroam company offers some of the best mobile Wi-Fi hotspots in America. A unique feature of the Skyroam Solis is its virtual SIM card. The virtual SIM allows you to connect wherever whether you're traveling to Europe, Asia, Africa, or Australia. The device has more than 130 countries listed on its coverage. So, you can expect to connect to the internet without buying local SIMs or worrying about expensive, international data costs. With this virtual SIM, you can choose to top up your data mileage daily or monthly. This flexible data usage enables you to control your monthly usage. You can activate or deactivate anytime, anywhere, and topping up is convenient through the Skyroam portal. Despite being a virtual SIM, this device has a secure and encrypted connection for each connected device. Although the prepaid SIM card has a daily cap of 500 megabytes, you can still enjoy a 2G connection that is perfect for browsing email, social media messaging, and some web surfing. This device allows connection of up to 5 devices and will last more than 16 hours of internet connectivity. The battery has a 6000 mAh capacity that will enable you to charge other devices using the Hotspot's USB ports. 5. Netgear Nighthawk LTE Mobile Hotspot Router. Netgear Incorporated has a main office in California. Its operations began in 1996, and the company has been a leading provider of high-quality networking solutions. In its mobile hotspot segment, the company partners with AT&T and serves millions of data subscribers. With the rising need for low-cost data connections, Netgear introduced their LTE mobile router. This LTE mobile router is an innovative networking solution for prepaid subscribers, whether they are business travelers or homeowners. The Netgear Nighthawk LTE is one of the best mobile Wi-Fi hotspots in terms of simultaneous connections. It can tether up to 20 devices while maintaining secured internet access throughout the connected devices. You can set up passwords, block devices, or control access to specific websites. This device is a complete package for business travelers. With its 5040 mAh battery life, you can connect to the internet for 24 hours that allows you to work on important business deals while traveling. You can expect no downtime because of its powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon and blazing fast internet connections. With these amazing features, you can talk to your team via video conferencing without lag issues or connectivity interruptions. If you are sharing relevant documents, you can do it seamlessly by inserting an SD card with a maximum capacity of up to 256 GB. Click links in this video description for price and more details. Thanks for watching.